Oh, I hate it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you missed my last Temu haul, then probably don't notice, but I am wearing the exact same outfit, sitting in the same spot, and ready to open yet another Temu package. A Temu package. I am super excited to dive into this. As you can tell from the title, I bought mystery items. Now, what I mean by mystery items are like blind bags, those little like collect them all mystery packs. I bought all of the ones that I could find off of Temu, and I'm super excited to not only remind myself what I got, but see what's on the inside. So let's go ahead and open it up. Unlike my last unboxing, I actually did pay for this one all by myself, and all of the links will be down below. I'm gonna go through everything that isn't actually in a box, and it's just a mystery of which one I actually received rather than a mystery of what's in its own little packaging. First item I'm seeing is this little squishy, and it looks like I got a koala. I can't remember what the other options were, but I do remember really liking this one, so this is super cute. Then I'm seeing this pen. What is on my hands? It's from the bag. I don't know, but my hands are orange. Looks like I got a fox pen, and it's really squishy, which is fun. This is actually really satisfying, so that's pretty interesting. Oh my goodness. This is actually a diamond painting pen. This is awesome. I love how nice this is to hold. So it's just the typical diamond painting tip. I love this. Looks like I got this cat sticky note. This is so cute. It's called the Ho Ho Cat Sticky Memo. Looks like you get a decent amount of sheets in here, and it just looks like this. This is so cute. I feel like these would be really good stocking stuffers or like coworker gifts. Anyone who loves cats, this is so cute. And they actually fold like that, so that's pretty cute. Then I got some charms, I think. Looks like I get 15 charms in here. So we have a feather, what looks to be a mermaid tail, maybe. The Tree of Life, I like that one. A purple flower, this really cool like snowflake one. One that says love, a little butterfly, a heart with like a little keyhole, a blue heart, a blue four-leaf clover, an owl, a dragonfly, a different owl, flat butterfly, and a cute little key with a pink heart. I got those because I thought it'd be kind of fun to have a little jewelry making girls night with some of my friends. So happy to have those. Then I got this mystery watercolor painting. So it comes with a book that actually has the paint in it. I've never seen anything like this before. So essentially this is what the cover looks like. I love these characters. And then you open it up, and on the inside there are these little graphics, and then there's paint on there. So I guess all you do is get this wet, and then you can just paint directly on there. So I'm really excited about this. How fun. I also got a wood mystery, and this is what I ended up with. It looks like it is a buck. That's gonna be kind of fun. I'm excited to put that together. I feel like this would just be a fun thing for when you need a little bit of a brain break. So that's pretty cool. I got another stationery kit, and this is really cute. It's like a giraffe theme. This is precious. I love these little sticky notes. So this is what the set looks like. Comes with one kind of standard size Post-it, and then 3 little page flags. These are really cute. Not sure how many sheets you get in here, but you get a pretty decent chunk, so that's exciting. Then I picked up a little dog toy for Miss Monkey. But this is what it looks like. So it's just a little star on this kind of rope, and she can kind of chew on it. So I don't know. What do you think, baby? Do you like it? This is for you. Do you want it? She does not want it. Okay. Well, we tried. Then I got some little Lego figurines. You get 5 of them in this pack. It looks like I got maybe a fireman. Ooh, this one kind of looks like Venom, the superhero. A guy in blue, maybe a zombie. And someone on team number 7. That's kind of fun. I also got this 10 pack, maybe more than 10 actually. There's a lot in here. And these are some mystery wave rings. I've really been loving the acrylic ring trend recently. So let me just I'm gonna try and stack them all on my hand for you. Just trying to find a comfy spot. And she found one. These are so fun. Don't understand. And they smell like maple syrup for some reason. So these are the ones that I got. There are a couple duplicates, but they're so pretty. Honestly, I really like all of these, and these would be super fun to throw in gifts for some of my friends. They're just really pretty. So that one's really exciting. That might be some of my favorites so far. Okay, I also decided to get these rings as well. These are little bead rings, and these are so cute. I, as a kid, would have loved these. So, I mean, I still really like them. These look like this. So we have this one that maybe has like a little popsicle. They're just little beads. So we get popsicle, we get a green flower, we get a cupcake. That one's so cute. Pink smiley face, maybe a megaphone. I'm not sure. A white little circle with a red heart. This cute thing that looks like a little squishmallow. Another green flower. A blue star with a yellow smiley face. And then a white purple smiley face. Okay, I also got a few bags that just come with some random toys. Oh, this is... Okay, so first we have this, which is like a little stretchy thing. And it's like a unicorn that's stretched out. Oh, it's so like weird to feel, and I can't decide if I love it or hate it. I think I hate it. Okay. Oh my goodness. This brings back so many memories from childhood. Okay, that's fun. Then we have a little sand timer. Can't tell if it broke. No, it's good. It's good. It's just reflection. So this is pink and it has some orange sand in there. Nice little sand timer. Then we have, oh cute, this is a little car. And then this one, these are so fun. So this is actually like a fidget spinner. I'm gonna take this one out. So it's like a fidget spinner, which is so fun, except these, you can kind of like bend them, turn it to be like this. If you wanted it to be that, that looks so cool in the camera. Yeah, so these are really fun to just kind of mess around with. So that's a fun little mystery pack. I also got this one, which comes with a bunch of different squishies. I already hate these. Okay, so I'm gonna leave all of these in here, but I'll take one out that I think is really cute. Oh, I hate it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They're all kind of flat on the bottom and then they're squishy. I think this one is maybe a bunny rabbit. It's pretty cute. So we got the bunny, a pink fox, kind of try and show you, but I'm gonna keep them in the packaging because they're squishy and nasty. A little green bear, a blue turtle that's very flat, a white bear. We actually got 2 white bears. A red little rabbit, maybe? Oh my goodness, a blue porcupine. And then we got this red duck, maybe. So those are fun. Oh, and then we also have a little squirrel. I like the squirrel. That one's a win for me. By the way, I'm just gonna donate this stuff because I don't have a use for most of it. I just wanted to do this for fun. Lastly, for the stuff that is very random, I got a mystery diamond painting kit. And this one I ended up, I'm just gonna put a picture up here because it's not gonna be easy to show, but it does come with everything that you need in here. And I ended up with this really pretty like butterfly one. And this is 30 by 40 centimeters. So it's a pretty solid poster. So this should be really fun to do. It looks like the only things that actually came in mystery boxes are these two. So I got this one, which just says 1,000 possibilities. Lucky box. And I think it's like a little cat toy. Oh, it's just full of random toys. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we got 2 wristbands in here. The first one just says, "Darling, I love you forever." This is really cute. Honestly, this is really, really cute. Then we got an orange one, and this one doesn't look like it says anything. Nope, this one is just a regular orange wristband. I'm not opening this one, but this is like a little spiky ball. They're the things that you like bling against the wall and they stick. So that's that. Then we have the like climbing man that you put on the wall and he kind of like falls down. These are fun. Okay, that's a pretty random assortment, but cute nonetheless. All right, and then lastly and most excitingly, I got a mystery succulent Lego kit. I'm not sure if that's the one that I got or what it is. So let's see, because I'm pretty excited to build this. All right, so it looks like I got this one. So I'll put a picture up here of like what it looks like on the listing. It does come with the instructions, and then it comes with all of the pieces in a box. So that's pretty fun. I'm actually really excited about this. I would say that was relatively successful. I feel like I'm a little disappointed at how many things were just in there, because it didn't feel as random to me, but there are some really good ones. I have to say, I think my favorite things are probably this pack of the kind of resin rings, this little succulent block, and then assuming that this watercolor kit works, I think this is gonna be so fun. Let me know what you thought. Did you enjoy this video? Do you feel like these were really good items, especially for the prices? I'm pretty happy with what I ended up with, but as always, I'm very curious to hear your thoughts down below. And let me know what you'd want to see next in my next Temu box, because I've been ordering quite a bit and I definitely have some more orders coming your way, but I would love to know what you're looking for. As always, everything will be linked down below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Hope you subscribe, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!